Hello students, today's topic is PN junction with forward bias and PN junction with reverse bias। तो PN junction में जो bias है ये दो bias आते हैं, एक है forward bias and second is reverse bias। So bias मतलब क्या होता है, तो जब भी कोई PN junction डायोड किसी बैटरी से कनेक्ट होता है तो वो फॉर्म करता है बायस, दैट इज कॉल्ड बायस। सो व्हाट इज द फॉरवर्ड बायस एंड व्हाट इज द रिवर्स बायस, नाउ वी कैन सी। PN junction with forward bias, when a battery is connected to PN junction such that positive terminal of battery is connected to P side, positive terminal of battery is connected to P side and negative terminal to N side, negative terminal to N side, then PN junction is said to be forward bias। So let's see from the diagram what is forward bias। When the P type of P side or P type is connected to the positive terminal of battery, this is the battery, this is depletion region, okay। You know these are the holes and these are the electrons, free electrons। This is the P type is connected to the positive terminal of battery and N type is connected to the negative terminal of battery। So this is called PN junction PN junction with forward bias। So here is, you can see P is directly connected to positive terminal of battery and N is directly connected to negative terminal of battery। So you can easily remember that P is connected to the positive terminal of battery and N is connected to the negative terminal of battery, that is the PN junction diode with forward bias, okay। Let's see what is the PN junction with the reverse bias। When negative terminal of battery is connected to P type, negative terminal of battery is connected to P type and positive terminal of battery to N type, connected to N type। positive terminal connect कहाँ पे हुआ, N type पे। So the PN junction diode is said to be reverse bias। जब भी P type जो कनेक्ट बैटरी को निगेटिव में कनेक्ट होगा और N टाइप जो है वो पॉजिटिव में कनेक्ट होगा, सो दिस इज सेड टू बी अ रिवर्स बायस, ओके। सो देखते हैं, P type is connected to the negative terminal of battery and N type is connected to the positive terminal of battery। So there is a vice versa, okay। P type पॉजिटिव को कनेक्ट हो रहा है, N टाइप नेगेटिव को, P टाइप नेगेटिव को कनेक्ट हो रहा है, N टाइप पॉजिटिव को। So this is the difference between the forward bias and reverse bias। So you can see the difference and you can study from this reverse bias and forward bias PN junction diode। So you get the bias, what is bias, when the battery is connected to the PN junction diode, any diode the battery is connected, that is called the bias। So I hope you can get the all points of forward bias and reverse bias। This is the block diagram of forward bias and reverse bias and this is the definition, and from this you can easily remember the diagram and the means definition of forward bias and reverse bias। So hope you get that, thank you।